What's up, guys? To another episode of Tuned Engine, and on today's episode we're gonna use spray paint to make this engine look brand new again, and also go ahead and fix some oil leaks in the engine. Let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on the 781C10, and basically what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take apart this whole side of the engine so we can go ahead and fix an oil leak, and also go ahead and spray paint it down there, those valve covers down there. I'll go into more detail in a little bit about that. First of all, so as you can see, there's a bunch of oil everywhere. Like, there's oil leaks everywhere, and that's because these valve covers for the push rods are leaking oil from the bottom right there. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna take them off, clean them out, like take out all the old gasket. I'm gonna have to take off the distributor in order for me to get to this one, because it has 1 and 2. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and sand them down, do everything, and go ahead and spray paint them red, and use this one. I'm gonna use some regular spray paint. They hold up good. I'm probably gonna put some primer, I'm not sure, gasket maker, and then some gaskets that go on the truck. Alright guys, so first things first, we gotta take off the valve cover. It's only held down by 3 bolts. As you can see, we got it taken out really easily. This is the easiest one to take off of this side of the engine. And also, guys, you can go ahead and see the push rods down there. The push rods are what open and close the exhaust valves on the engine. And then you can see that it was leaking a bunch of oil by the residue all down there. So it's a good thing we're gonna go ahead and fix all this. Alright guys, so now we look at the valve cover gasket. We can see that it was leaking from the bottom. You can see a little pool of oil. And you can also see that like we are having a hard time taking it off, and that's because it has some red gasket maker. Red gasket maker is not as strong as the gray one, but still giving us a hard time. And the only reason why I put this on is because I wanted to hold it. I wanted it to hold the gasket in place when I was gonna put it in place. So that's why it's on there. But we gotta take it off, and so we can put the new gasket maker on it. On the edge where it's so alive. Alright guys, so now like I said, we have to go ahead and take off the distributor. It's always a pain in the butt changing out these gaskets for the valve covers, because without taking off the distributor you can't really get to the valve cover because it has a lip and it gets stuck on the distributor. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and take off the spark plug wires, so we can go ahead and take off the distributor cap and also the whole distributor from the engine. More than ever, the bottom of the distributor right there, it's gonna hit the lip of the valve. I think it's a flat. Let's see. Oh, there we go, flat. Okay, cool. It still works easy. Okay, cool. I can take all it. And guys, so like whenever like the engine's like running, this turns. And this will like touches like each one of these, and like it sends spark to all of them. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the bolt down here. Let's see, y'all can see it's down there. So right there. All right, we got the distributor out. Alright guys, now with the extra room without the distributor, we can actually go ahead and take off the last valve cover with these last 3 bolts. Oh God, give me strength! God, give me strength! Oh my God, that was super tight, guys. Alright guys, so now we can go ahead and take off the last valve cover, and right there you can see the push rods of the engine. And as you can tell, that looks super duper clean, because this engine was taken care of a lot, and like you can see, like we did oil changes really regularly. And basically that's what makes your exhaust and your intake valves open, so your car can run and also let some exhaust. And we're gonna go ahead and cover the whole for the distributor so nothing gets in there. And now we can go ahead and start taking off the old gaskets from both of these, and also start sanding them down. And I'm gonna be using like this little plastic scraper to go ahead and take off, because I don't like damaging chipping away the metal for the covers. So yeah, we're gonna use this plastic one just to be safe. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got most of the paint off. I still got work on this one, but these brown spots, I can't take them off. I think it's just surface doors, but we're gonna see what we can do. So right now we're just cleaning them with brake cleaner again and trying to get them super clean. And now we're plugging up the little holes for the bolts because I'd rather be safe than sorry not get paint in there. So yeah, let's start painting, guys.
Let you fall this time. Let me hold you. I won't let anybody hurt you.
So this is the finished product. Oh snap, it looks brand new. Oh my god, I didn't know it was a spray. Oh my god, I didn't know it was a painter. It came out really good. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh snap. And I did not miss any spots. Oh snap, bro. Oh snap. I'm sorry guys, I did not know I was gonna do such a good job. Oh snap, what the heck? Call me Carlos a painter. That clear coat worked really. Oh snap. Alright guys, so now we're ready to put the valve cover back on, but first we're gonna put some gray gasket maker so you can go ahead and hold on the actual gasket while we go ahead and put it on. This is easier to do with this gasket maker. Alright guys, as you saw, it came out super cool. I was pleased. Spray paint works really good. If you sand it down, just put a little bit of work before you paint it, it's gonna come out super good. So it came out really good. We were able to fix the oil leaks and we got this truck looking way more cooler. So we're actually making the engine look better one spray paint at a time. And that's it guys for this video. Hopefully you liked this video as well, and I'll see you all next time.